Hi guys, it's Hitesh from OpenRead. I hope you're having a good Friday. Got some exciting news to share with you. So recently we've been working on a feature where you can upload existing PDFs and kind of track them as you can do with any of the lead magnet created within OpenRead. So if you've got a PDF created sort of in Canva, whether it's an ebook or a free guide or a slideshow, whatever it is, you can now kind of use it within OpenRead and track kind of time spent and kind of who's viewed it. So what I want to do is if you go over to create lead magnet, you'll now be given an option to select upload existing PDF or create from scratch. So we're going to hit upload existing PDF, give it a name. And you want to upload your existing PDF. Now, depending on the size of your file, it could take a few minutes just to upload and process, but you'll be notified when it's done. Okay, so now you can see the PDF is loaded, and it looks just like a normal PDF view. So here you can kind of preview the pages just to make sure they look all right, and then from here you can sort of continue onto building a funnel. So here you can sort of look at the configure landing page, leads in, configure the notifications, custom domain and summary, etc. I'd love to get your thoughts on this feature and kind of how it could be used, not only kind of just to generate leads, but how it could be used in your entire sort of lead gen marketing strategy. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment below and I'll hear from you soon. Thank you.